Discover how to harness the power of ChatGPT and other AI tools with expert guidance from James D. Feldman, a pioneer in AI application. This non-technical workshop will transform how you work, create, and solve problems. Participants aren't just being taught, you are uncovering AI's potential firsthand. We will demystify AI tools for you. Our course offers a deep dive into AI and ChatGPT. You'll start with an introduction to AI, followed by practical applications and advanced techniques. Each session is designed to build your understanding and confidence. We understand life is busy, so we offer flexible scheduling options. Customize your learning experience with weekday or weekend sessions, and choose between 60 or 90-minute blocks. If plans change, we offer alternatives or a full refund. Your learning journey should fit your life, not the other way around. Throughout the course, you'll learn to understand ChatGPT and other AI tools, craft effective prompts, apply AI to daily tasks, and use AI responsibly. These skills will transform your productivity as you navigate the landscape of AI. This course is perfect for AI newcomers, entrepreneurs, freelancers, professionals, business owners, students, and educators. Whether you're looking to enhance learning, streamline everyday tasks, or boost efficiency, our course will equip you with the necessary skills. James D. Feldman is your SOAR Academy instructor for this course. With years of experience teaching AI to diverse audiences, SOAR Academy brings unparalleled expertise to this ChatGPT training. James D. Feldman, your instructor, has successfully guided hundreds of individuals across all skill levels to harness AI effectively. Learn more at soaracademy.live. No previous experience is required to join our course. We start by assuming no prior AI knowledge and offer clear, simple explanations. Our hands-on learning approach ensures you practice with real examples. We will show you how to use writing assistant applications for email drafting, report creation, content editing, and translation support. These tools will help you generate professional content, structure reports, improve text clarity, and convert languages efficiently. You will learn how to enhance your productivity through task management, planning, and templates. Generate to-do lists, create schedules, shopping lists, and recipes, and develop reusable templates to streamline and boost your efficiency. Discover how to harness the power of ChatGPT and other AI tools. This non-technical, beginner-friendly workshop will transform how you work, create, and solve problems. No coding required. Register today to start your AI journey. Enroll today with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Connect with others on their AI learning journey and secure your spot by registering online jfa.tips/AI Explorer VIP and use the discount code CONFUSED to Confident Explorer or calling us at 312-527-1111.